This is Tim Mullen with West Central Equipment. Today we're going to use your new deck level gauge. First, position your tractor on a flat level surface and engage the park brake and turn off the engine. Check the tire pressures for proper pressures. See the operator's manual for correct pressure. Adjust the mower deck so the front of the blade tips are at the desired cutting height. The mower deck must be suspended from the tractor and must not be resting on the deck gauge wheels. Position the mower blades so they are parallel to the tractor. Place height gauge on the same level surface as the tractor. Position the gauge in front of the mower deck and slide it until the gauge arm is under the deck lip. Move the gauge arm up until it contacts the tip of the mower blade. Important: do not use the lip of the mower deck as a measuring surface. Move the gauge to the rear of the deck. Rotate the mower blade so the same blade tip can be measured at the rear. Measure the blade tip height. Note, best grass cutting performance is obtained when the rear of the blade is 1/8 to 1/4 inch higher in the rear than the front of the blade. To complete measurement, next position the blades so they are perpendicular to the tractor. Slide the gauge from the right or left side of the mower deck until the gauge arm slides under the lip of the deck and can be moved up to contact the tip of the blade. Adjust the mower deck so the blade tips are the same cutting height for the left and right sides. See the operator's manual for mower deck leveling adjustment. After all adjustments are made, recheck cutting tip height of the mower blades, front to back and left to right. To ensure desired cutting height is maintained, periodically recheck the blade cutting height.